Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna spill the beans and give you the all tips and tricks Pinterest gurus don't tell you to get more traffic to your website, to promote your articles, your products, whether they are affiliate or digital products. So you can take this video as a source of how you can get more traffic and visits from your Pinterest page like a pro. And of course, I will showcase some examples to be more clear and more practical in this video. So now let's get started. And the first step here, just you can create your own business page on Pinterest. And for sure, just you can pay attention to the SEO optimization of your business account, starting with your title and your business name. So here, for example, this account for Coach Sophia Fitness gives this all the information in this title. And for sure, these are the most common and relevant keywords people are looking for regarding this niche, like fixed lower back pain, sciatica syndrome, and so on. And for sure, you can get all these relevant and this amazing keywords people are searching for on Pinterest regarding this niche from Pinterest itself. So how you can do that really quickly? You can go to Pinterest and insert here your specific niche or your main keyword like fixed lower back pain. Therefore, here you can find all these relevant search terms like this one, like exercises to, stretches for lower back, relief stretches, yoga for lower, and so on. All these keywords are relevant search terms and queries from people are looking for the same and close enough to this specific keyword. That way, you can optimize your main title or the name of your business page like this one, your brand name, and some keywords or the most features of your account, talking about something like fixed lower back pain and so on and so forth. Likewise, you can optimize your description here, like in your profile on your pins account, and give you a clear description of your account, your pins, your posts as you see. And for sure, actually include all these SEO keywords in your description or your bio as you see. So that makes your Pinterest account more optimized for anyone searches for all these keywords and these topics. Then here you have to create more than 10 different posts in your account that target different keywords, different topics, different aspects as you see. Like in this account as well, you can find this hip pain relief, stretching routines, neck and shoulder pain management, and so forth. That way, all these keywords are relevant as a cluster for your main niche and your topic. Like this one, fix lower back pain and performance syndrome, and so on. So you can create your own boards, more than 10 boards. And for sure, here I will give you a tricky something. You've got to actually tweak these words to be more funny, be unusual or weird or something. So you can change these plain words, plain title of your post like apps, exercises. For sure, it's not an old one. These such titles go to the black hole of Pinterest. So you've got to make it more fresh, more trendy, modern, and little tweaky titles. And for sure, SEO optimized as well. So here you can create your own board titles and its descriptions as well for optimization of your account. More than 10 boards, okay? And now we can move on. That is your own Pinterest pin. You've got to make your Pinterest vertical and very tall as you see. And the best aspect ratio here, 1000 for width and 2000 for height. That makes your pin more vertical, taller than all other pins around. So for example here, if you look for this amazing pin, here you can find this huge and how tall it is to get more attention, to get more views, impressions, and so on, and for sure get more clicks. Here, if you go to this home feed, you can find some of these pins are more noticeable than others. So avoid all these short and small Pinterest pins, but make your own pins vertical and very tall with the aspect ratio I told you earlier. Okay, for sure you can create all these pins as you want on different online tools like canva.com as you like, and give your own Pinterest pin more exposure. Now let's dive deeper into how you can get your Pinterest pin more clickable or increase click-through rates. Here, you've got to stick with the first step by making all these Pinterest pins vertical and taller. Second, that you can use a template of your overlay message and overlay text on this Pinterest pin. So you can starting with a huge font that contains a number or the word how to. If your Pinterest pin or your article or your destination link talks about some steps or something, how to, or you can focus on the result by going to a huge number. It could be 5 steps or $30 a day or the 80 countries on something like that. Here you can start with huge number with bigger font, okay, at the top of your Pinterest pin. Second, at the middle, the core message of your Pinterest or your article or something else. It could be like the exercises or meals or a method to something, okay? Then you can go deeper and go down below to insert the benefit of this Pinterest, of this destination link. It could be a benefit financial, for a healthy life, for lifestyle, or something else. 21 things you can build. As you see here, it starts with this big number, 21 things, this core message, and here you can go the benefit of this Pinterest pin and watch or read the article or something else. Then lastly, you can find at the bottom part of this Pinterest pin that says without a drawback, like without ruining your life, without sleeping at night or something else. Here you can create your own overlay text based on this template. The first one, the huge number, bigger font, the number. Second, the core message of your Pinterest. Third, the benefit of if the customer goes to your article or your product. And lastly, the without something or a drawback or a negative annoying people or this target audience. Okay, so here you can find some examples like this one, like 15 genius budgeting goals. Here you can find this benefit. Okay, the big number, the core message, and the benefit of this article or something as you want. And this one as well, 50 natural Ozempic alternatives for weight loss. Here the core, here the big number, and here find this amazing result or the benefit of this article or visiting of this website and so on. Likewise, this one, the number one template. Here you can find a big number. Here find this core message, and here you can find you need this year. This is a curiosity one as a benefit to build a solid budget here. Perfect. Perfect template here to get more scrolling eyes and get more clicks through your own Pinterest pins. Then it's time now to actually go deeper in your Pinterest pin details. Starting with the title, here you can create your own title and description as well from any AI chat model like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and so on to make all these fields are SEO optimized for your niche and relevant to your topic. And one of the most impressive things here you've got to know about your work on Pinterest is you can actually publish only 5 pins daily, no 10, not 20, and so on. Just 5 pins a day, 3 from your device as fresh and new content for your account, and 2 from your reposting or your repins. Your repins, you can actually resave your older pins that are older than 6 months. That gives signals for Pinterest algorithms that your account is active and refreshed and so on. Or you can go to different creators as a curator, and for sure you can save some pins on your boards to make your refreshment of your account to get more attraction, to make Pinterest push impact to service and home feed for anyone searches for this keyword or this topic. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.